Hey everyone, welcome to my project My Free Time in a Week.in. And the job of this website is to tell you how much free time you have despite you thinking that you are extremely busy. So, for example, if you have a 40-hour per week full-time job, you sleep 8 hours a day, and you have these other commitments, you still have like 48 hours that are left. You can probably take up another full-time job in that. We have obviously implemented dark mode, and then you can add or delete activities. For example, you want to spend some time exercising, running and dancing. It takes up 1.5 hours every day, and you probably have date night, which takes up 4 hours. On each of the holidays that you have in the week, you still have 29 hours left in your day to work on that. Apart from that, we also have a feature called generate recommendations, and the best way to use that is to be more descriptive in your activities. For example, you can write full-time job as a data scientist in Meta, and then date night at a sports bar, and then reading Medium and Substack articles about productivity and leadership, and maybe working on side hustle project. This probably takes up 1 hour on every workday, and then working on side project related to software development, which takes up say 8 hours every week. All right, and you click on generate recommendations, and it will use the in-browser LLM to generate all of this. It is possible that the in-browser LLM is not activated for your browser. You can go to the help section to see how to enable that. We have laid out all the steps over here. There are also some other FAQs. This project is completely free and open source. So you can click on the contribute section to have a look at the source code. And if you have any feature recommendations or if you see any bugs, you're always welcome to report that and create a new issue over here. Coming back to the recommendation it has generated. So it says like reduce side hustle project time investment, integrate mindfulness and meditation. So it has some recommendations for you. You might not be always happy with this because this is not OpenAI or Anthropic LLM. So you can always generate again, but I found that it is often helpful. I hope you use my website and find value in this. Thank you so much.